Hey y'all, this is Todd with the $20 Budget Prepper. I'm not going to be posting a taste test and review video today. This is what I've got to look forward to that's coming my way. So I'm going to get prepared and we're going to take a look and review of what I call my lights out package that I keep in my closet.
Well, folks,
Thank y'all.
just started off before we take a look at my lights out kit. This is what I'm dealing with already with the wind. And the storm's not even here yet. It's not supposed to get here till tonight. I already got limbs coming down. So anyway, let's get into my lights out kit and we'll see what I got. Thanks for sticking with me here. This is my lights out bucket or whatever you want to call it. This is what I've got in here for emergencies. That storm we got coming looks like it's not supposed to hit till 6 o'clock, so I got plenty of time to prepare. So one of the things I got in here is a Midland weather radio, AM FM. It's also solar powered. You can get these for like 35 bucks at Walmart. I also have, made by Midland, I also have the regular Midland weather radio, so this is my backup. I actually keep this in my vehicle. Lighters, duct tape, another big lighter. I don't know why I had that in there. That duct tape is horrible. Cash. I keep $200 worth of 5s and 1s. My sister-in-law went through Hurricane Katrina. The one store was open. It was cash only, and they weren't accepting anything over $20. They weren't accepting $20 bills. So I've got $200 worth of 5s and 1s. That's my marshmallow stick. Got my flashlight. That actually I keep on top of the refrigerator anyway. Got a small headlamp flashlight. Got some zip ties in here. These are all my backup power supplies. You can charge up your cell phones, whatever. I've got 4 of them. I charge them up monthly. I just did it the first of the month, so they're all charged, ready to go. I also have an old cell phone. It's not worth any money to trade in, but it's got the American Red Cross First Aid app on here, hard downloaded. Also got the First Aid app for animals on here as well. Here I've got some glow sticks. We have my main lantern when the lights go out, my smaller lantern, I've got some extra batteries in here along with a permanent marker and a pair of scissors, some reading glasses for my wife because that color doesn't look good on me. I've got some wipes for adults so we can clean ourselves off if we need to, in case we don't have any hot water, which I probably won't have because everything is all electric except for my stove. Hand sanitizer. Just some little toilet travel-y shampoos, conditioners, that sort of thing. Have an assortment of batteries in here that they fit my lantern. That's the actual power supply for my regular Midland weather radio. Just some plastic bags to have in case I need to try to keep anything dry. Have a toothbrush, assorted pencils, mechanical pencils, things like that. I've got games so we can play with the lights are out. Got that. I've got that in here. Deck of cards. Phase 10. This is a big old Scrabble thing. Travel, we used that a lot when we were camping. Boggle. And a little frisbee thing for the dogs. So anyway, there you have it, folks. I'm also getting ready to fill up my 5-gallon collapsible jugs for water, just in case. I've never had any issues, but I've got 2 of those, or 5 gallons apiece. Plus, I've got plenty of water put up. I've got the equivalent of about 32 gallons of water. So there you have it, folks. I appreciate you stopping by. For those of you in Mississippi that subscribe and watch, and those of you that are just watching, y'all stay safe today. God bless. Have a great day.